Hey guys, here's a project. Just gonna turn this off so it doesn't copyright strike me. Here's a project that I did, and also the remake of the 30-inch Canarm twister. I put it up in the garage here. I know it's only been 3 months since I posted the original video of this, but I feel like I should have given it a remake. I feel like I should give it a remake video since I, put it out here. So let me show you how. Let's pull it over here. I'll get up on the stool. So what I did is I basically just screwed the mounting, this isn't live, this isn't plugged in. I basically just screwed the mounting bracket right into the joist to this 2x4 here. And it's pretty solid. And actually I found a date on this. See, look at that. May of 2001. So for power, I just simply wired it up to this cord here, like I explained in the update video, update number 2. I just wired it up to this cord, so black and blue, which is black is for the power for the fan, blue is the power for the light, and then I tied the white to the white. There is a ground little where ground wire is supposed to be. It's over there. It's in there, but it broke. The ground wire must have broke off, so I just capped off the ground wire. So yeah, it's got white blades on one side and this grain finish on the other. I don't actually know what that is called. So yeah. So I basically just have it wired to the cord there. Because I'm gonna do something first. So I basically just have it wired to this cord, and then when I want to use it, I just plug it in. It's not turned on. The light or the fan is not turned on. So yeah, we'll start with the light. Got a big 20-watt CFL in there. So I thought, I had the little GE, there's a GE 60-watt one that I put in the garage door because I could feel the heat from it. So I put this CFL in there. So yeah, there's the light. Not sure if I'll use the light much, but maybe I will. Here's low. I kind of wanted a fan over the workbench, so that's why I did this. And don't worry, if you're worrying about it falling, it's probably not gonna fall because I used these screws, which I'm pretty sure are wood screws, and I used that drill to drive it right into the stud, so it should be fine. You can see the shadow caused by this light here. Yeah. The globe isn't on it because I put it on the Litex Vortex, which should be posted before this video is. So there's low. Here's medium. This is probably what I'll keep it on. It still blows air, even if it's in a big space. Doesn't really matter if it has a globe or not, because the rest of the lights are just standard plastic sockets that don't have shades on them. So it doesn't really matter anyway. Actually, I'm gonna turn this back on. Hopefully this doesn't copyright me. Consider this kind of a musical edition. Oh, don't copyright me. Or content ID my video. Here's high. It's shaking a bit, but so yeah, there it was. I'll put this back on medium actually. So yeah, there's that. The 30-inch Canarm twister now installed in the garage. So yeah. I was gonna put the Litex out here and put the Canarm in where the Litex is, but my grandma didn't really want me doing that, so I was like, screw it, I'll just put the Canarm up. And I stole the globe from the Canarm. Because I don't really need the globe on this light, this fan anyway, because it's in a garage, like I said. Anyway, bye.